How to add texture in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've prepared a few things here. For one, I have my fill, which is a rectangle, a rectangle object, and I have my texture as a picture. So what we want to do is we want to give this object here this texture. So the way we do this is I select my fill like that, and I want to go to the left side here, and I want to look for this icon which says drawing modes. You can also access it by pressing Shift+D on your keyboard, and after we click on this, we want to go to draw inside until you see these dotted lines appear in the corners. Okay, so what we do next is we want to take our texture and we want to press Ctrl C on our keyboard and press the object and press Ctrl V like that. You can again resize it if you need to. And what we're gonna do next is we go to layers here on the right, the layers tab, and as you can see, it created this clip group here. Just want to click this arrow to go down, and I want to make sure we have only our texture selected. You just click here and that's it. And from here we go to properties, back to properties, and we go to opacity, and now we want to change the blending mode. Well, I found that overlay and soft light work the best, so you can just use either one. I'll go with soft light for now. And as you change the opacity, the effect becomes more subtle or more pronounced, like that. And that's how you add texture in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.